What's up, y'all? It's your boy Tayo for sure, man. We're gonna do a quick video on how to change the thumbnails. You know, you might throw a video up of something on YouTube and you don't like the photo that they got to attract the fans in or what have you. You know, the audience. And that's very big. You want the right picture up there to draw them in. So I'm gonna show you right quick, probably like 2 minutes or less, how to change that thumbnail. You know what I'm talking about? You feel me? Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Why?
Hip hop is dead. That's what Nas said. Because these mumble rappers got a brother fed.
Alright, let's get started. You want to go to YouTube. Alright. Pull up YouTube. Go to your home page. Alright. And let's just click that one right there. Click it. Alright. After you got your video, what you want to do is you want to go down here to this screen. Well, scroll down, I should say, to where it says edit video. Click your edit video. Alright, there's my song Legend, Gray Bears. That's the thumbnail that I got, which I actually switched to that because I like that better. Down here is where you switch your thumbnail over. This is what I originally was stuck with on YouTube. No disrespect to Paul nor Whitney, but we wanted the Gray Bears up there. So right now it's there. Let's just say you just want to click it. You go up there, you hit your save button. Boom. But we're not gonna do that right now. And basically, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you change your thumbnail on your video.
The honeymoon is over. You've been a victim. And you're not a Tribe Called Quest, so we can't kick it.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm talking about. For sure. Oh, alright.